supplies for your room. And I know I haven't been uploading frequently, and you probably can guess why. Can't do an intro very well. But now that summer's here, I'll be uploading more frequently, and just let me know what you guys want to see. And also, I'll be having a special announcement at the end of this video, so keep on watching if you want to know more about that. So yeah, let's just get right on into the video. So the first DIY we are going to make is this BTS Jin inspired flower from the music video I Need You, and I will provide all the supplies I used in the description box below. So first we are going to warm up our piece of clay and form it into a little ball and squish it down to form a base for the bottom of the candle. Use your candle and make sure it fits well to the size you would like it to be. Now take another piece of clay and form it into a teardrop shape. This will be the flower petal. You can basically just see what I'm doing here. I went ahead and made 6 flower petals, and once that's done, grab a piece of clay and form it into a long stringy piece. Next, grab the base and a flower petal and start wrapping it around. This will make sure the flower petal and the base are firmly placed. So once that's done, cut off the excess and use pieces of clay to fill in the gaps of the flower. As you're doing that, start bending the flowers downward. And make sure to smooth out any lumps and edges as well. Once that's done, put it in the oven to harden at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While we wait, we will start on the paint. So what I did was mix the white and yellow for a pastel yellow that will go inside the flower and fade outwards just like in the MV. Once it's out of the oven, you can go ahead and start painting it from the inside out. It should look something like this, and after that dries, you can go ahead and put your candle in it, and that's it. So next we are going to make this BTS inspired wooden clock. So first you are going to paint your wooden clock any color you like. I went with a pastel blue, and once that dries, I went ahead and printed out some BTS chibi. I would have a link down below as to where I got it, and I went ahead and cut them out and then put Mod Podge to stick them onto the clock. Next, I grabbed some stickers and spelled out BTS, and I also put on some flower stickers as well. You can decorate it any way you like. I then went ahead and hot glued some small fake flowers to it as well. After that, I went ahead and assembled my clock according to the instructions, and that's it! Your clock is ready to hang on your wall. Next, we are going to make this DIY travel the world map. So the first thing I did was to make sketches of the continents of the world and then cut them out to make stencils to be cut out by the cork board, if that makes any sense. So I got one of the stencils and pinned it onto the cork, and with my scissors I went ahead and cut them out. So once you have all the continents cut out, you can start pinning them onto your wall. Next, I went ahead and printed out some photos of my biases and printed out photos of the places I would like to visit someday. I tried to look for photos of my biases that matched with the theme of the place I wanted to visit. That way, it looked like they were traveling with me and inspired me to go there. I also then went ahead and decorated with succulents, flowers, travel stickers, tickets, and a pair of sunglasses. And for the final touch, I went ahead and put some fairy lights, and that's it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Just let me know. And also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And now that you made it at the end of the video, now you can know about the special announcement. It's a giveaway. So I recently hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and I've just been very busy lately and I haven't uploaded a lot, but I've been seeing a lot of you guys' comments. I always read your comments, and I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for 10K. So yeah, I wanted to do a special giveaway for you guys, and that giveaway is going to be on a separate video because if I add it to this video, it's going to be really long. I just collected so much merch throughout the years that I just want to give it to you guys. Like, I just want to give it all to you guys. So yeah, look out for that video, which should be the next video after this one, so just be on the lookout. It'll be out in like a couple of days or so. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.